Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is the project to build a highway from Harborview, where we are now, this is the Harborview Bridge, to Port Antonio in Portland. So we're going to give you an update on the section of the highway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallows Bridge, which is where we are now. So this roadway is going to be a dual carriageway, which is 4 lanes with the concrete barricade in the middle. Now, China Harbor Engineering Company is the contractor, and the latest completion date for this section, which is the Harborview to Yallows section, is August 2023. Now we are in the middle of, actually today is the 21st, so we're 3 days into June. Sorry, 3 weeks. So we have July, August, and 1 week. So that's 9 weeks away. August 2023. The end of August, we're looking at 9 weeks away. So we're just going to give you guys an update to see if they will finish on time and to show you what's going on with the project. Now, this entire roadway that we're driving on, we're going to break it down. So the entire highway from Kingston or from Harborview to Port Antonio should be finished in 2025. The entire thing. The section now between Harborview and Yallows is to finish in August. And then that section is what we're going to focus on today. So the section we are now from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the existing roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. It's going to be upgraded to the dual carriageway. So that's the work that's being done now, is to expand basically the existing roadway to 4 lanes and put in the Jersey barrier. So that is what we are looking at now. Now, in some cases, the 2 additional lanes will be put in to the left of the existing road and some places to the right. So these look like the new light poles that have been put in at the new spot. See, they have that concrete at the bottom. So these light poles have been moved, and they are right on the coast. Wow, I didn't even realize it. Look at this. Literally on the coast, the new light poles. So when a hurricane comes, I guess they must know what they're doing, but I'm just thinking that when a hurricane comes, these light poles might be the first ones to come down, because they're not concrete, they're wood. Are they concrete? They look like wood from here. We're going to stop and zoom in, because I'm a bit surprised to see them put these light poles directly on the shore. Alright guys, what do you think? These are wood poles. They are wood poles, and I didn't know they would put back up wood poles. I thought all the new poles that went up were concrete. So literally just look at the ocean. You can see the sea. That's the Caribbean Sea. Coming up again, you can see the waves knocking against the shore. And look at where these light poles are. I mean, Jamaica is an island. We are in the hurricane belt, without a doubt. So when a hurricane comes, these wires and these poles are going to come down. Well, I shouldn't say that, but there's a high probability of damage, because I'm sure JPS must know what they're doing. Nonetheless, let's continue the tour. And guys, let me know what you think about these light poles being at this position, right against the shore. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, so we're going to continue the tour. So here you can see the roadway being upgraded or expanded. There, okay, this is a very good view straight ahead. You can see the Jersey barrier, and you can see the new lanes being put in on the right, and this is the existing roadway on the left. So also guys, do you think this road will be finished in 9 weeks? I'm looking at these light poles, and they're all wood poles, and they are a lot of poles. I mean, a lot. Okay, this one on the left now looks like a concrete pole. This is one of the concrete poles. These are the poles they should be putting up. There you can see it's concrete. But the ones that they are putting up, I mean, I shouldn't say, well, maybe they're just relocating the existing poles. Alright, well, we're going to continue the tour. But I'm very curious, guys. Leave your comments in your section below about these light poles. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.